Trade Confident family. Guys, I know what you want. You guys want to make $1 million in crypto this next cycle, and I don't blame you. In fact, I'm with you. If you guys know about the challenge we're doing in our membership, we are actually on a challenge goal to make $1 million, literally $1 million profit in our account, currently sitting at $604,000. All right, today's video, I want to share with you guys why I think investing in altcoins is absolutely probably the best investment you can make right now to be most proactive about dollar cost averaging into these. In this video, I'm going to show you guys what I believe is pretty close to undeniable evidence that the altcoin season is going to melt some faces, is a term I've been hearing lately. I did just come out with a future forecast. This is on Friday in our membership. So to make this really clear, I will not be giving away all the details of this to keep this honorable to our members. But I did show you guys the 15 low cap gems that I think are going to do really, really well in this next bull run. This morning, we're already up 34% on a trade we took yesterday. And if you guys can understand what I'm going to show you in this video of the data that says an altcoin season is coming, you should be getting prepared for this. These are 10 to 20x coins that I believe could be pumping really soon. And we bought $22,000 worth of these yesterday. Grab a membership. The link's in the description if you want to watch that. Watch the future forecast on February 16th. There are charts. There are projected mock-ups of the potential gains. I am not an overzealous forecaster. I look at realistic gains. I have everything mocked up for you guys if you want to see that. All right, let me give you guys what you came for. You guys want to know how to make the most money in crypto. And if you want to know how to make the most money in crypto, I believe you need to be looking at dominance. And if you guys have never heard of this term called dominance, it basically says, where's the money flowing in crypto? And if you guys have heard this saying, follow the money. If you follow the money, more times than not, you will have favorable positions that gain value. And so if you look at dominance, dominance says, where is the money in the crypto sphere allocated right now? Where is it flowing? Where is it flowing into and where is it flowing out of? And I'll give you guys a lot of just quick one-pointers in this video. If you guys want to take out a piece of paper or if you're on your phone watching this, go to open up a notepad and pull me up on the top left or right of your screen and just take some notes. I will give you guys the key to time an altcoin season. It is simply this. I'm going to draw this above my face here. What you are wanting to watch for is for the price of Bitcoin to go up while the dominance of Bitcoin goes down. So you're looking for the price of Bitcoin to go up while the dominance of Bitcoin goes down. Actually, let me show this to you guys in a chart. Let me see if I can pull one up here. Give me a second. I'm going to flip through a few that I have loaded for our members here. Here we go. Take a look at this. This will kind of be some undeniable evidence to you guys so you can understand how to time these markets and that what I'm saying is not just speculation. So what you're looking at here is Bitcoin. And what you're looking at here is the dominance of Bitcoin. And then you're looking at what's called total 2, which is the market cap of altcoins minus Bitcoin. And we have this yellow line mocked up here on March 1st, January 1st, and January 1st. What I want you guys to observe and take notes on is that an altcoin season, your altcoins will do best when Bitcoin is moving up in price and the dominance of Bitcoin is moving down. Why is this? Dominance shows you where the money is flowing in cryptocurrency, what assets are absorbing the inflow of money, or what assets are giving up money and they're going somewhere else. So dominance moving out of Bitcoin tells us there's only 2 places money can go if money's coming out of Bitcoin. Do you guys know what those are? Obviously, this is rhetorical. It's either going to go into alts or it's going to go into stables. Okay? Stables are going to be your USDT, USDC. These are stable coins that are pegged to the US dollar. So in most cases, this doesn't fluctuate too far from zero, although there have been a few scare occasions. So what this tells me is that when Bitcoin goes up and dominance comes out of Bitcoin, again, money flowing out of Bitcoin, this is when your altcoins will take off because money is flowing into altcoins. Now, this is something that people are going to get mixed up on. So you need to write this down. You need to understand that Bitcoin needs to be going up in price for this to happen. In order for altcoins to increase in value, you need the price of Bitcoin to be going up as well. The only difference is you need the dominance of Bitcoin going down so that money's coming out of Bitcoin and it's transitioning into your alts. When this happened over here, And when this happened over here, you saw the price increase while money's coming out. This is where you got the surges. Now, let me open this and I'll show you guys this chart. On these yellow lines, these are the fastest moves up in cryptocurrency for altcoins. Why is that? Case in point, dominance goes down on Bitcoin, and then you have a dominant shift into your altcoins. Well, guys, guess where we're at? Why is this such an important video I'm coming out with today? We told our members that, hey guys, you should probably be looking to invest into altcoins right around this yellow line because we saw this. Based off this, we've done pretty well in some of our altcoins. I sent this out to our members this morning. I'll give you guys a little sneak peek of this. Look at this. So we got into a trade, Solana. This trade is up 487% since we bought $24,000 at $24. It's pretty incredible. And then also one of the coins we bought last night, which is low cap gem, is up 34.5% this morning. It is because we saw this pattern. Guys, there are secret patterns in cryptocurrency that none of you are even aware of because you're looking at this. You're looking at price action charts and you're like, oh, it's going up. I should buy. And it's like, okay, you may be right, like 50% of the time, maybe 60% of the time. But if you're structuring your risk management around charts like this that actually show you the flow of money and how there's actually seasons and there's times of when money will flow into certain asset classes, that is when you get a huge advantage. This is why we came out and we showed you guys over 15 low cap gems that we think are going to explode. All right, let's go on to the next point of this. I have some more notes for you guys that I just want to give you for free if that's okay. In an altcoin season, you need to know what the narratives are. Do you guys know what the narratives were in the last alt season? I'm talking about this one over here, 2021. What were the narratives? The two narratives that were pushed very hard were meme coins. You guys will know this because you all remember Shiba Inu and you also remember Dogecoin, okay? Those were incredible until Elon Musk came out and talked about it on SNL and then Dogecoin just took a dump. Meme and then NFTs. You guys all know if you pull up a chart of Ape, you know what happened. You need to understand that this time around, these narratives are not being pushed as hard. I'll give these to you guys. I'll give you the narratives. I have the coins and the exact ones listed in our future forecast in our membership. Grab a membership. It's $59 a month. Let me say it like this. If you have more than $1,000 to invest in these altcoins, pay the $59, see what we're investing into, look at the charts of all the percentage probabilities of these altcoins. I literally have it mocked up. You can see which ones have the most probable chance of doing the best. And then I'll show you guys individual charts of each of those. Watch it, pay for the membership, it'll be worth it. Here's the next note you need to take. The narrative this time around is AI and it is gaming. You guys need to write this down because if you are not investing into altcoins that have the narrative of AI and gaming, I think you're going to be pretty upset, okay? About 60% of the coins that we bought yesterday, the low cap gems, they were in AI and gaming. The other ones were Web3 and DeFi. And then on top of that, we show you guys in the membership what BlackRock is interested in buying. Because there's a few coins and tokens that they have said what they're looking to buy, like the actual criteria. And we go down and we literally put an emoji of a black rock next to the coins that meet BlackRock's qualifications. Guys, BlackRock is buying up Bitcoin faster than any other institution. If they're interested in these other altcoins, they're probably going to do well. And I think you should have some exposure to that. All right, AI and gaming. These two notes of just understanding, one, that when Bitcoin goes up in price and the dominance goes down in Bitcoin, that's when your altcoin season starts. That's point number one you need to understand. Number two, you guys need to understand that AI and gaming is being pushed really hard right now, and I think that's going to be a sector you guys need to be watching for. Now, I got to end this video, and I want to talk to you guys about this. I want to talk to you about risk management because some of you guys are going to watch that future forecast. You're going to see the gains that I show. Yes, some could do 18 to 20x, 2,000%. I wouldn't doubt if actually a couple of them do that. But very few people are going to take the time to show you risk management. And this is where I'm going to be a little more stern in this video. And I just need you guys to be okay with it. A lot of people, and I don't mean to be rude by this, they are basically spoon-fed baby crypto investors where they want YouTube influencers and they want people they're following to tell them, is the market going to go up or is it going to go down? They just want to know that. Is it going to go up or is it going to go down? And what they do is they completely throw the baby out with the bathwater and they say, okay, I'm going to forego any type of risk management and I just want you to tell me if it's going to go up or down. Guys, risk management was how we were able to make over $40,000 on a sell signal. You guys know on this channel that we took a $56,000 short trade around this sell signal right here because of the mid-cycle top, which this red line right here, the mid-cycle top, for 13 years has held true with drops in the market. 50% drop here. We had about a 38% drop here, again, exactly at that mid-cycle top. The previous time before that had a 50% drop at the mid-cycle top. Guys, we said 13 years of data has a probable chance of being right. So we opened up a 10% short and 90% of our funds were long. Okay? We lost $6,000 on this sell signal right here. We lost. I'm keeping everything transparent with you guys. We made over $40,000. If you guys remember, as I said, about 35, the account has increased since then because we actually pushed over 600,000. We've done over $40,000 profit. So we have netted, 46,000. My apologies. We've netted 40,000. So we lost 6,000 and made 46,000 on our long-term account. So even with a sell signal that didn't come out true, even though it was based off 13 years of data, the account went up $40,000. How do you do that? It is that you have to have a balanced approach to the market. YouTube comments is the only place, and I don't say this to be rude, but I'm trying to trigger you guys right now. You need to realize that some of you are doing this. You're trying to find analysis that says, just tell me if the market's going to go up or if it's going to go down. And you're not putting more weight on risk management. If you want to follow an indicator like this, guys, the last 13 out of 15 signals have had positive price action correlation to them. One of the highest accuracy indicators ever coded. So that means if you are just consistent with this over the long term, you will do incredibly well. But there's not a single multimillionaire or just a millionaire that I have personally coached in our membership that has not either asked for or has valued a balanced opinion of the market. Meaning, Travis, give me the data of why we could be going up here really high and passing all-time highs, but also show me the data that we could be crashing back down. Case in point, 13 years worth of data that says the 786 has crashed multiple times, 50% in the market. That is where you guys need risk management. And I don't care if it's a membership you sign up with us or if it's someone else you sign up with, but you must have them teach you both sides of the equation, both sides of the coin. The market could go up. Yes, the market could go down. Everyone can say that. Now, what do you need to do then? You need to layer on top of that risk management. And then what do you layer on top of risk management? In my opinion, you need to get down to the nitty gritty of what is the percentage that you should be going long with and what is percentage of going short based off that data. It's not enough to say the market can go up, the market can go down. You need to actually then have an allocation of percentage. That is where you keep yourself safe. Case in point, 10% we shorted, 90% was long. We netted $40,000 in our account off a sell signal that was invalidated. How do you do that? It is with risk management. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it's a little bit, kind of stronger than normal, but I want to kind of challenge you guys today. Get a membership with TradeConfident.io. I know I'm logged in here. I'm sorry I don't show the subscribe button up here, but it says subscribe. There's a link in the description of this video. Click that. We charge $59 a month. Once you're in a membership, go to the future forecast and look at the charts that I show you. I will show you exactly what I'm invested into. I will show you 15 tokens that I think are going to do really well in gaming and AI. One's already up 34% this morning. And I will teach you guys good risk management. I'm not your financial advisor. I am not a financial advisor. But I think the wisdom I can share with you guys here really will help some of you guys in this next bull run. The risk management we use has yielded us 137 wins and 0 losses. Yes, we took a loss. Everybody hear this clear. We took a loss on the sell signal here. But this is not a trade we're counting against the win record over here on our front page. Why is that? Real quick. The short trade we took used not a single piece of risk management that we use in our trade setups. On top of that, we have mentioned to you guys multiple times, we are not going to take a single short trade in our trade setups until 2026, where the estimated top is. So the fact that it was a short trade invalidates it from even being in the trade setups over here. We are only going to be taking longs. This was a one-time short that we decided to do based off 13 years worth of data. The scalping trades are doing really well, and we're only going long because I think we are going to see an absolutely massive potential blow off top here soon because we've passed the 786 retracement. Real quick, and I'll end this video here. 83.94% of all of our trades have never needed to use a single buy limit. 13.87% have used only one buy limit, and only 2.19% of all of our scalping trades have used 2 buy limits. Guys, learn risk management, and you will find yourself more successful in any trading sphere you go into, okay? I'll end this video here. Hope you have a great weekend. Hope you guys got some good notes out of today of what to be looking for and how you time these alt markets. Watch that future forecast. I will show you exactly what I invested into. You will see my portfolio completely revealed to you guys out of many, many hours of research that I think will do the best in the coming bull market that have between 5 to 20x gains. I love you guys. I'll see you in the future forecast, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye, guys.